Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete apps on iPhone with the new iOS 18 update. Let's get started. To delete an app, 1. Long press on the app you want to delete. 2. Once the options appear, tap on Remove App. 3. Then tap on Delete App. 4. Confirm by clicking Delete and the app will be removed from your iPhone. If you want to delete the app but keep your data, follow these steps. 1. Open Settings and scroll down to tap on General. 2. Tap iPhone Storage and find the app you want to remove, for example, Snapchat. 3. Select the app, then tap on Offload App. 4. Click Offload to delete the app but keep the app's documents and data. That's it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.